To successfully complete your track, it is essential to have a well-defined roadmap. Remember the golden rule in business, failing the plan is planning to fail? Well, the same principle holds true here. How long should the track be? What BPM? What key? How many arrangements? How to set up Maschine? And because you want to sound as good as your favorite tracks, what balance? In this Ableton tutorial, I'll guide you through 2 essential steps to make a great blueprint. We'll use a reference track, learn how to use Izotope Tonal Balance Control, and I'll share 4 tips to help you avoid common mistakes. With this free Ableton template available for download on my website, here's what you have now. Join me as we create an entire track from scratch. Don't miss out on my upcoming Ableton Maschine tutorials. Subscribe now to stay updated, and to download this Ableton template and the kick samples, simply click on the link in description. Now let's move on to step 1. Switch to Arrangement View and place your reference track in the reference audio track. You'll want to place a new locator at each measure. Within this Ableton template, I've placed locators every 8 bars. Now you can see that the track is 25 measures long. You can see the break, the transitions, and the outro. And if you listen to the entire track, you will know when new arrangements start, providing you with a complete blueprint for the track you want to create. 2 tips here. 1. Make sure your reference track is routed to the master output so it remains unaffected by any plugins or additional audio effects on the main mix output. And 2. Press keyboard on your Maschine MK3 controller and set the root note. My reference track is in G minor, and that's the scale to which I'll set my keyboard. Now let's move on to step 2. Open the browser and load the Izotope Tonal Balance Control plugin onto the main mix output. Hit Create Target from Audio File, select your reference track, and save the target as whatever you prefer. As a token of appreciation for sticking with me throughout this video, here are 2 valuable tips on how to use Izotope Tonal Balance Control. Add the plugin onto your reference track as well and look at different parts of the track. You'll discover that not all arrangements have the same balance, so don't attempt to balance them identically. Now check out the crest factor. It shows if your low end is too dynamic or too compressed, and for techno, it needs to be around here. Now you have your blueprint in hand. In the next video, you will see how to quickly create new arrangements using your Maschine MK3 controller and export MIDI patterns to Ableton Live. Make sure you don't miss out on this. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching and happy producing.